We are running late today. I'm brushing my teeth. We had some pineapple and a banana. There's a peel in there somewhere. We still haven't uploaded our video, but we're gonna do it right now. This is the kind of stuff you just can't make up. Literally yesterday, one of our subscribers was asking us if we were having any problems with our engine, and we haven't been. And today we have a check engine light. Luke was the coolest dude. He pulled the code for us, and it seems to just be P0456. So that's saying that the evaporation system has a small leak detected, very small. So could be the gas cap. Hopefully that's it. We'll tighten it for now and then come back later and check it out. We just picked up $40 from an Aldi's order where we dropped off 3 different orders. It took a while, like over an hour and a half, maybe longer. So we're gonna probably head to Kansas City now. It's about 1:30, so should get there in a couple hours. The cool thing about doing this is DoorDash is allowing you to travel sustainably. So basically where I'm at is we need to earn the rest of our upkeep for next month. And as fun as this is, it's getting too risky with the car starting to, basically because the check engine light's on. Like I said, I know it's likely just the gas cap. My risk factor has skyrocketed, and I don't want to be stuck out here or anything like that. So I want to make sure that this car is okay, because this car has been very good to us. It has treated us so well, and it deserves everything. So, I don't want to mess it up because we're just pushing it too far, trying to do whatever. So we still need to earn the money in order to get there in gas, right? We're about 1,600 miles away from Golconda right now, and that is, if we divide that by 30, that's like 53. So then we times that by 4, right? Because that is the most gas cost. So we're looking at $215 or something like that, right? So we just picked up 40 in Springfield, and we're headed to Kansas City now. So I'm gonna try to figure out what the next biggest city is that we can get to by, let's say, 5 o'clock. And then in that city, we can earn money until 7, get to a next Love's, and then we'll just sort of kind of repeat that process as we continue down. So it is still going to take us a couple days, I think, but I guess what I'm saying is we're going to focus less on trying to earn in the bigger cities and more just trying to get back to our side of the country. And then we can plan out how we're going to rescue ZZ, if we can rescue ZZ. But first, we're gonna get our bills paid. I've been literally wanting to shave so bad to the point where throughout the trip, I've been cutting off pieces of my beard. Like somewhere in Missouri, before we went to Arkansas, I hacked up my beard a bit, but I just haven't stopped to get razors or anything, and my straight razors in storage somewhere. So we're gonna stop at this Walgreens, and I'm literally gonna shave while I finish getting to Kansas City. I realize what I'm doing might be sort of ridiculous, so it might be worth recording. Check out the Miata. Just got here to Kansas City and already got a delivery. Didn't really quite get to finish shaving, but it's pretty nice. Not bad. It is 6 o'clock and we made $35 in Kansas City. That was 2 hours, and yeah. Right now we're gonna head to the Love's outside of town. was dashing, but earlier we found a building that was like pretty much collapsed. Let's see, dude, these, like, why are the manhole covers set up this way? Like, you literally, I can't see them a lot of the times. Well, I mean, I'm just not paying enough attention to them. It's completely destroyed. It really thought I was gonna go. I mean, I'm sure people pull out in front of them all the time. Yeah. Look at these things. They are just, the other sides of them are even more destroyed. Not as bad as St. Louis, but it's pretty rough over here. Never realized that being able to use the whole, like, having roads big enough for 2 cars was a, you know, a luxury, I guess. In this town, there's 2 lanes in a lot of places, but the right lane is basically just people parked cars. Okay, so we're slowly making progress. I was gonna work till later, but it's 7 right now, and we have $50 in the account. We are only missing 2 bars of gas, so in the morning we'll spend probably like 20, 15, whatever it takes. And then, yeah, so we're moving up. So what I'm gonna do is just, I really want to make this video about the Waffle House, because one of the directors for Tekken is trying to get the Waffle House to use it as a stage, so I think it would be really funny to, like, I don't know, make a stupid video about it, but whatever. I'm probably not gonna do that. If we do, we'll do it in the morning, and there's no Waffle Houses by us, so this would be our only opportunity, but I don't know. I guess what we'll do in the morning then is we'll just kind of dash in this area, earn some money for the Waffle House, and because I'm probably gonna spend like $15 right now anyways on food and stuff. I know we could be eating more economically, but we're just trying to get back to the West Coast. Yeah, so I'm just gonna chill out and edit. I feel like if I get ahead on the channel, then that'll give us some time to, you know, work later, because we make more money like 7 to 11. It's like a really good time to dash. So yeah, all right, see you.